YouTube. Check this out, man. Y'all already know who he is. He's the biggest streamer in the world. Okay? Just finished a nice, very successful subathon and broke a lot of records. Okay? And now he's got a brand new car collection. He's gonna spend his money and build schools in Nigeria, wherever he said. South Africa, somewhere where there ain't schools. Before we get into that, man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big Rick back with a brand new video, back with a brand new reaction. Before we get started, go and smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment. What else I want to react to, man? That sub button. Let's go to 3K. We just hit 2K. Let's hit 3K. Cenat, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it.
Oh! But why didn't Ben mop my shit, bro? Oh! Alright, y'all, listen to me, okay? Do not mind my outfit or nothing because we're taking birthday pictures. By the time y'all see this, y'all will see why I'm in this outfit and the birthday pictures and shit. But it's gonna be my first time seeing my upgraded cars. As you guys know, Duke, Phantom, they all got their cars done and shit like that. And when I went to the Mafia time, I had to spend a month on all my cars, from the AMG to the Trackhawk to the Hellcat to the Lambo. So it's my first time going to see all the upgraded cars and see how they look. I'm kind of nervous because I hope I like it. Like, I know what colors it's gonna be and I know what I ordered to put it on, but I hope I like it, man. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go see what's happening. Oh, kind of nervous, man. Apparently it's in like a warehouse. In the A, we are in Atlanta right now. Apparently it's in a warehouse. They got it ready for me. I'm low-key scared. We're gonna give you a full breakdown on all the cars and everything. So, let's see. Is that Mater? Tom Mater? My boy right there. He did, this person that did Duke's cars. He didn't do Phantoms, but he did Duke's, and it should be fine. My first car video for all the car nerds, too. I'm not gonna lie, I was never a car guy, but my AMP brothers made me wanna see what's up. So I'm about to see what's up real quick. I'm low-key scared. Let's see. Yo, Brody. What's good, bro? It's about that time. Oh, boy, what's going on? Good? Yeah, hell yeah. It's time, my boy. The man, the myth, legend. Hopefully I like it. You feel what I'm saying? But the Duke car, all that shit is gonna be crazy. Here we go. All right, let me see.
How you wanna do it? You wanna do it one at a time? We work from the AMG up to the Lamb?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Let's work from the, do AMG up to the Lamb.
All right.
I'm nervous. Yo, I didn't see no updates. I didn't see shit. I literally gave it to them to just have and see what happens. You feel what I'm saying?
So the AMG, you know we ain't doing much to it.
Yeah, the AMG is just a wrap.
But if you don't like the color, then it's
okay. And then as the cars come in, you can just say it. So you'll do.
We'll do the rundown.
Yeah. So we're gonna do first AMG. AMG first. So y'all know this is my first car.
The AMG fire though.
Okay. So this is my AMG from when I got this car, 2021. My first car ever. I got it when I was 18. Or 19, one of them. Oh my gosh, bro, I know it.
Just look at the color, that's all you gotta do.
I know it only probably the same. Yeah, these are. Look at it.
Yeah, man.
Yo! This don't even look like my car! Bro, this don't even look like, yo! I definitely gotta draw this. Yo, this don't even look like my yo! Oh, this is perfect. Like the interior. Everything is perfect. So this is the all black whip. Like now it is red, bro. This is crazy. But what's crazy what a simple wrap could do to a car.
Like it'll be like in the sun too. Like you can see like something.
Gang.
Like Dukes.
Yes. Oh yeah. That sparkle. Yep. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is super tough. Damn. The AMG got a revamp. Let's do. Hellcat next. Oh shit, the Hellcat is next. Damn, that's really the AMG.
Before you just had a Hellcat, a Trackhawk, an AMG, and a Lambo.
Yeah.
Now this is Kai's Lambo.
Okay, say less. Okay.
This Kai's.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's personalized to me. Yeah.
Like no one else.
Yes. My Hellcat, my Track, and my Lamb was all just regular stock. Damn, that shit looks so crazy though, bro. Like that's a nice car, bro.
You picked a good color.
That shit don't look like my old shit. I got tired of the black. Like the black was just sitting, it was getting dusty. Now it look like that's crazy.
We gotta do something. Hellcat.
Oh my god.
Oh, is that Heli? Okay.
Trackhawk next.
What, the Heli got upgrades?
Cat looks crazy.
Yo!
Oh, with the see-through hood? Yeah, that's tough.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, you gotta put the door to see the inside. You gotta
Wait! Yo! Oh
really
my
hard.
God! Look at the rims on
Hellcat's
that
crazy.
bitch. What the fuck?
That's tough. Yeah, they was.
Yo, hold on. Yo!
Oh, that's tough.
Oh my
logo.
gosh!
That's hard, bro.
Oh shit! Y'all went crazy. Wait, what the fuck?
On the headrest.
Wait, what the fuck? Yo, look at the wheel on that. Hold on, let me sit in that bitch.
Yeah, they went
This
crazy.
shit feels crazy.
That
What
good
the
old
fuck?
American muscle.
Bro, look at the wheel, gang. This shit looks stupid. I don't know. Yo, I'm driving all these bitches. Bro, you can just tell.
The Hellcat
Bro,
gets
what
driven
the?
a
I was
lot
not
in
an
this beat.
upgrade car type of nigga, bro. Yes.
Is that mounted to a flame? That's
on the
mounted
car.
to a flame.
Like if you see the
But still.
diffuser, the trunk,
Yes.
like the little things, like you don't even notice it, but like see how it's got the splitters and stuff.
Yeah. What the? This funny to the heli?
You gotta break it in when you drive.
Gang, this the heli gang? Gang, my shit was, bro, now I know why niggas upgrade they shit.
Now this
Yeah.
highs,
That's what cars is all
Hellcat,
about,
no
y'all. You gotta
cap. But
upgrade
it's
it.
like, my shit before this is just like a,
one of one now.
yeah, like, this shit, this is OD right here, like,
That's hard though.
That's hard.
that's
The see-through is
hard.
tough.
I'm gonna have to go to the car, I'm gonna have to go to the car meet, chat, no cap.
So the wheels,
I like to see
from
through.
Yeah, break it down what we got.
JTP Forge, they sponsored us on the
Shout out
wheels.
JTP.
These are full
Those are tough.
three-piece custom forged
Break
wheels
out.
built for you. So
Oh
like,
my
these were
gosh.
built for you. Obviously the wrap done by Brandon Wrapped It. He killed that. The aero kit. We got the OKQ garage.
Oh my
they did the
gosh.
interior. This is kind of basic. Now the next two.
Wait, basic? How is this basic?
That ain't basic.
Am I about to get crazy?
That's tough.
Oh!
You got a track
Damn,
and a
bro.
Lambo truck.
But the
left.
interior looks
The Hellcat
stupid,
is
bro.
crazy.
And the wheel feels like good.
Full carbon fiber,
Carbon fiber, I
digital,
just
all
realized
that.
It got shit on here?
Yeah.
So
I'll
that
show you how
shit's
to use
sick.
that later. I gotta show you a whole bunch of stuff.
It lights up and shit? Like, look how I'm driving this bitch, bruh.
That's hard,
Look,
bro.
that shit popped up, gang. What the fuck? Okay, y'all snapping.
Oh, this is like probably your most modified car.
I'm scared, bro. Most modified? In your opinion? The Tracky? Oh my God. So, all right, so chat. This one is the one that Aiden bought me. Aiden bought me the Trackhawk.
I know
Aiden
that.
bought me the Trackhawk. Oh shit, I'm scared, bro. I'm fucking scared, dude.
What do you think?
Oh my God.
Trackhawks are so loud.
Let me know.
That's so loud.
Oh!
They had that.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my gosh, bro. That shit like a transformer. And it's got the wide body kit on.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Yo, the wheels is crazy!
Yeah.
Gang, these
wow.
wheels is... Yo, look at this shit! Gang, what the fuck?
Trackhawk goes super.
Yo! What the hell? What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? This don't even look... Bro, this shit don't even look the same! This shit done glowed up, bruh! Bro, look how crazy these rims are!
Oh my god.
Yo!
I've never seen wheels look like that.
Look at that shit! Look right here!
That's tough. Damn.
AMP different lights in that bitch.
They went
All
stupid on
colors
the
too.
track, huh?
This
Oh,
is crazy, gang. But what car am I gonna drive? Gang, this is
Oh, look.
stupid. Like this is
What
stupid.
a
Like this
day.
is like. Bro, why didn't Ben mod my shit, bro? It's a he dead ass encouraged me, bro. Get the shit done. He gonna handle everything. Both of them.
Oh, this
Fucking.
got a full Wado wide body kit for
Yep.
y'all car heads. Full Wado wide body kit.
Yo.
Custom forged wheels.
Oh, I didn't even see the headrest. I didn't even see the headrest. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, the AMP logo on the headrest be tough. I ain't gonna lie, this is tough.
That's hard.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all
Stitch,
snap,
too?
bro.
Wrap, obviously.
That's
Wado
love.
wide body.
Yep.
It's got a Corsa exhaust system.
Yep.
Oh, it's got a Corsa.
V2 airless suspension, so it's on air. You can go up and down with it.
Yeah.
I'll show you how to do that. Upgraded pulley for the supercharger.
Yeah.
So you got a little more power in there.
Yeah.
Obviously, you've seen the custom stars, the custom headrest,
Yeah.
all that stuff. But I think it's really time to show you.
Oh my gosh.
It's time for the Lambo. You
Bro,
ain't-
oh my, wait, hold on, bro. I gotta breathe first, gang. No, like, this is a good look. This is a good look, bruh.
Give me
Bro,
a
I was
second.
never a car head. I literally told Phantom and Agent I did not care about no fucking car shit, bro. And now we got car shit. That's crazy. What the fuck? Oh my god, this shit is beautiful. And it's loud as fuck. that shit sound crazy.
That's a beast. Don't race that.
That shit sound crazy.
Don't race
Damn,
that.
like hopping out this bitch is
Real
crazy.
bears.
Oh shit, I'm scared.
And they got four.
Happy shot.
Yo.
He's the one that helped with the Lambo.
Thank you so
that
much.
Kit, listen, it's a one of one kit. No one got it.
Yeah.
He's
One
the
of one
only
misery
one with
kit.
this
There's a lot of fabricating.
One of
Okay.
one, full
One
carbon
of one.
fiber.
Okay.
Borsteiner kit.
Okay.
Directly from Borsteiner, one of one, hybrid kit.
We got Valvetronic exhaust. You got
Everything.
callus downpipes. It blows fucking flames.
Yo,
Damn.
we went crazy. It's
Damn.
we got to show you.
They got him
I'm
like
scared.
that.
I'm just staying here. I'm gonna stay here.
Only in the world. That's it.
I'm gonna just stay here.
What you liking so
got
far?
one of
What's the
My favorite so far?
what's the go-to?
Well, I'm not going. Okay, so like, okay, before we show the lamb, so far like the track looks stupid.
It ain't fair with the Lamb, so you know, we talking about them three.
We took over the Benz. He was the Benz. We did this in 3 weeks.
3 weeks, yeah. They did this in 3 weeks, bro. We rushed it, everything. Oh my god.
Nah, look at his face.
God.
Look at his face. Oh my god, I'm
That
scared.
is
I'm
an
scared. I'm
Autobot.
scared. I'm
It's
scared.
not like Autobot.
Oh!
They're not Optimus Prime.
They sound like gunshots. Oh my gosh.
Yo.
Okay.
This is what it's
That's
about, though.
crazy.
Like, it ain't about the bread. You know me with the car stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
It's about our culture.
Yeah.
And what we doing.
Yeah.
I need that. Go ahead. Go crazy.
Go, look.
Go ahead. That's cause yours.
Oh!
Yo. Nah, that's way crazier than I thought. Whoa.
Oh my fucking gosh! Oh my! Oh! Yo!
If this don't break the internet, I don't know what will.
Yo! What the fuck? Yo, this is my shit. This is me. Bro, what am I want
That
to
is
say?
the
Feel
craziest
real right
Lambo
now,
truck
gang.
I've ever seen.
What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? I can't stop saying what the fuck, bruh. Look at the hood. Carbon fiber, right? I know my shit. Yeah. It's everywhere
I know
though,
my
gang.
shit.
Yo, y'all
Yo.
niggas snapped.
Nah, that's
Oh my fucking god, y'all
OD.
niggas snapped.
That's different.
Oh my fucking god, y'all niggas just snapped, gang. Y'all don't even know what I just did, bro. Oh my fucking gosh.
Wow.
Bro, y'all don't even know what y'all just did. Bro, what the fuck?
Put a suspension module on the car. So
What?
You can up and,
What?
the suspension can go up and down.
Oh, yeah.
I know
What?
the curves, that hill.
Yeah,
You
bro.
messed this up.
Oh.
So I'll show you how to do the suspension. One of one, full Borsteiner carbon fiber kit.
Wow.
So this bumper alone probably has 2 days straight on just this.
All my life, when the guys see this shit, they're gonna go stupid. They're gonna go fucking stupid. Bro, Agent Infinite
That
gonna
is
be
the
so
craziest
proud,
Lambo I've
bro.
ever
You
seen.
don't even understand like.
Bro, the collection
Lambo
is
truck.
cra-
Hands down.
Bro, this collection is insane, bro. I'm really looking back at everything y'all niggas went
3 weeks, bro. 3 weeks.
3 weeks, 4 cars. 3
That's
weeks,
wild,
4
dude.
cars, bro. Let me see that. Hold on, let me see. Bro,
I got it lower now.
yo, this shit looks crazy, bro. Oh my
Congratulations, Kyle.
fucking gosh.
You
Bro,
made it, buddy.
this is probably the craziest collection I've seen.
You up there?
No,
you on top?
hands down. it is.
Car world are proud.
Yo,
Officially a car guy.
You want agent's ass?
I'm officially a car dude, man. Damn,
He
bro.
got the SF90, but you on his
Like
ass
before, I
now.
was like forgetting about a car or like left one and just didn't drive for a minute. Now it's like I could really switch it up, gang. Look how fun, like that shit looks like I want to hop in that bitch right now. All of them, bro. But y'all don't understand from when they put up on me to like saying like, oh, what they gonna do to it, like, and then see it now. It's like they exceeded what I thought it was in my head.
Yeah.
All my life they exceeded what I thought it was in my head. This
fine.
is crazy, gang.
You kind of let me have my freedom too, which I respect.
Yeah, yeah,
You know
yeah.
this
Yeah,
is
I was like,
this is my world.
Yeah.
so,
yeah.
That's honestly
Nah, I ain't
the
gonna
best
lie.
thing to do.
Literally the best of the best. Oh my god, this shit is crazy. Like before, niggas couldn't drive my car at all. Now, niggas can't drive my car. This shit exceeded my expectations. Like that
He
ass.
said, now niggas can't drive a car.
Yeah, like everything got its own flavor to it. Like you feel me? Like yeah, chill McDonald's. Here we go. Go to the movies and shit. You feel what I'm saying? Heli pop out real quick. Track pop out real quick. Lamb is pop out. I can't. Oh my god.
Yeah, Lamb is
Nah,
the
this
pop
this
out.
is real
Pop
subtle.
out, pop out, pop out.
This right here, I love how like, yes, it's the first. Look, I was gonna get rid of it, but I can't, bruh. Like, it's my first car ever, and just gotta
nice
show it some
first
love,
car.
bruh.
bro. This shit ruined my Thanksgiving, bro.
Boys,
Shit was stressing out.
Nah, nigga would do this shit through Thanksgiving. Nah, that shit
This
was.
reaction was
You
like,
bro, this shit is crazy, guy. I can't stop smoking. Like, this is crazy.
So the wheels, we did gloss lip with a matte face, custom center caps, and then you can see the red hardware to match the car.
Yeah, I don't think I understand. I literally said a description of what I would want it to look like.
Yeah.
I said red, okay, black hair, this hair.
So
But from like the details, like I literally have to say like, okay, bro, I trust you, bro. Whatever you think you get, just get it.
The wheels match the kit, same brand. It's like,
Yo, the carbon fiber hit different, dude. Bro, what the fuck?
That's crazy, bro.
Look at my AMG, like literally, bro. The limb is stupid and the track car, and then like, I want it red, but this is a good red, like, damn. Now that lamb looks stupid. Oh my, one more time, shout out, y'all shit, shout out who y'all, shout out all that.
Okay, Q. Got my dog. Clean culture in the building. We throw car shows all over the country.
Yes.
Several countries.
Yes.
We just started getting into the building stuff,
Yes.
bro. I mean, it's W, right? Like,
Yes.
It's my new thing now. You a content creator, you out there, you want to get your car done, save some bread, save some time, save some stress.
Yo, dead ass, like on the
Stress-free?
side.
Good?
Yes, everything is perfect. Like literally not one problem with nothing. Look, chat, they literally have to do it without disappear for a month. So I had to disappear for like a whole 30 days and had to solve everything like behind the scenes and shit. Bro, like no problems. Like, bro, this shit looks perfect, bro.
We getting a mafia car next.
Yeah, I gotta get in my mafia shit. I gotta get my throwback shit. Yo, if y'all would like to see any behind the scenes or anything like that, make sure y'all go to this shit. It was be in the description right below. All the car geeks, y'all wanna see all the breakdowns, how they did it, when they did it, all of that, all the updates and shit like that, go to theirs. But bro, I appreciate y'all, no cap. Shout out to y'all. Y'all did y'all shit. By the time y'all see this, y'all be seeing the IG photos and shit when we go crazy. Everybody go crazy. I wanna see y'all reaction to it. Let's get this video to, let's get this video to like 300,000 likes. 300,000 likes, and we gotta get another car, but it has to be a throwback car. Something throwback.
I'm already working on it.
Another car. Yo, another car, because I want a mafia collection, chat. So another 300,000 likes, and we'll do another one. Other than that, I'll see y'all next time.
Damn, bro. Shout out to Kyle, bro. That's crazy. That's the most insane car collection I've ever seen. Hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. Comment down below what y'all think. Okay, hit that sub button. Okay, Bigger TV, want to buy that too? God. Just got to subscribe, man. Got to hit that sub button. Got to watch. All right, appreciate y'all, man. Peace out. Shout out to Cenat. Yeah, it's the craziest Lambo I've ever seen in my life.